Hey y'all, so I'm making my return over to YouTube, and I was like, what is a more perfect video than a beauty maintenance video for the new year, to start the new year off right? Even though we're already 7 days into the new year, but you know, that's besides the point. Let's focus. Video, I really DIY everything from my hair, my lashes, eyebrows, nails, toes, everything you can think of. I can try to do it myself. I'm gonna start with my brows because they definitely need some TLC. If you want to see my little glow up, if you will, then keep on watching. So I finished my brows. They definitely look like cousins, not identical twin sisters, not in the slightest way. About to do my lashes now. I used the B&Q lash cluster. Lashes are done, you know, definitely could pass as lash extensions. But yeah, I'm a cluster girly for life. So the next part of my maintenance is probably gonna be my hair. Let me show y'all my nails. These are my nails. These are Joe X. I did them myself. Yes. Give it up. Shout out to YouTube University and like 4 years of practice.